Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to compute the change between values in percentage, so percentage of increase or decrease. We're going to do this for a series of sales from January to September and so on. So what I'm going to do everything for you here, show you the formulas, but you can download the final file with everything, so you can follow with me. So you can download the file. The link is going to be right below the video. So we start with sales of 1,005 in January. We want to know the percentage of increase or decrease in February. So here it's going to be a decrease because the sales are less. So to calculate the percentage of change, you just take the new value minus the former value, and you divide by the original value. Sorry, it's going to be 1,004 minus 1,005 divided by 1,005, and this is going to give you, this gives you here is going to be a negative number, which means it's a percentage decrease. To display it as a percentage, you just click the percent here in Excel, which is going to display it as a percent, and you can change the accuracy here with the with these two buttons. You can move the decimal. So here what we see, it's minus 0.8% change, which means it's a 0.8% decrease from February to January. And it's actually going to be the same formula everywhere. What we're going to see is when it's a decrease, so we have less sales, the number is going to be negative. So here it's a 9.5% decrease, here it's a 5.4% increase in sales from June to July. Two more things I want to show you. One of them is if you want to do it backwards, it means you know this figure, you know so I'm gonna put a label so we know what we're talking about. So this is the percent change. If you know the percent change but don't know the figure, you actually do it the other way. So you're gonna do, for example, if we know that it's a 15% change, we're gonna compute this figure and we multiply it by 1 plus 15%, so 15 divided by 100, and it gives us 1.7 thousand. If it's a decrease, you just put, I'm just gonna do a copy paste. If it's a decrease, you just put minus. Okay, so that's if you know already the percent change but don't know the values. And another thing is here we just compute the percent change between 2 months. If you want to know the percent change between January to September, you actually it's the same it's actually the same formula. It's new value minus old value divided by old value. So change from January to September, so I'm going to put Jan to Sep here. It's going to be the new value. Yeah, I'm going to need some parentheses. So new value minus old value divided by the old value, and so here it means 20%, and we're gonna format it as 20 as a percentage here. So what it means that in September the sales were 20% higher than in January, because we compare it to January. So same formula. Yeah, so I hope it's clear for you how to compute percentage changes in Excel, and I'm gonna leave you the file for download. It's gonna be right below the video. You're gonna have the link, and I'll meet you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you'll get notified as soon as I publish it. See you tomorrow, guys. Ciao.